little bit breezy. It was sunny. It was warm. It was not hot. If you were walking, then you obviously got warm. But the breeze was just lovely. It was a beautiful day if you're a golfer out there. 76 degrees right now over downtown Los Angeles. The winds out of the west, 78 in Fullerton, 83 in Ontario, and 71 in Camarillo. You saw a few clouds there. That means that the marine layer is coming back. Of course, Ventura is so close to the ocean, you are going to get a bit of that. Right now, you are looking at the wind speeds. As you can see, we've got some double digits. This is the regular diurnal pattern, pardon me. Remember that last night, the CHP actually had to issue a warning because the winds were very gusty along the 15 between Barstow and the state line. Reduced visibility down to about 600 feet. Tonight, it doesn't look like we're going to have any more of those winds, but tomorrow night and Friday night, in case you're planning a trip out towards Vegas, be aware because you may encounter those winds once again the next couple of nights, but not tonight. So there you go in terms of the winds. And also keep in mind that there aren't any wind advisories associated because they're not going to stick around for a particularly long time. Usually after midnight, those winds tend to calm down. 72 degrees right now near LA for your water temperature and 74 in Orange County. Here's a look at that. This is the 500 millibar chart. My favorite, kind of shows you what's going on in the middle area of the atmosphere, which is basically kind of what helps determine our weather here at the surface. Trough of low pressure hasn't really moved that much, and that's why this pattern seems to just be lingering. I mean, it has. The system hasn't moved. It's only shifted a little bit to the north, to the south, and then it's finally going to move to the east. And once it actually does, you'll see it go blah, just a tiny bit, but it is going to lift up. That ridge of high pressure that's towards the bottom of your screen, that's going to build and expand, and that's going to bring a little bit of warmer. But for tomorrow, it's really going to be a bit of a mixed bag because if you happen to be on the northern end of our viewing area, your temperatures are going to be very similar to today's. Again, mostly because of the onshore flow, but if you are further to the south, you're not going to be quite as influenced from the onshore flow. It's not going to be quite as strong where you are, and that's why your temperatures are actually going to be a couple of degrees warmer than they were today. 81 degrees in Bell and Bellflower, 91 in Pomona. If you're planning a trip to the